A straight-three engine, also called an inline-triple or inline-three, is a three-cylinder piston engine where cylinders are arranged in a line along a common crankshaft. Less common than straight-four engines, straight-three engines have nonetheless been used in various motorcycles, cars and agricultural machinery. Among the first cars to use a straight-three engine is the 1953 to 1955 DKW F91, powered by a 900 cubic centimeters, 55 cu two-stroke engine. The 1956 to 1960 Saab 93 saw the introduction of Saab's 750 cubic centimeters, 46 cu two-stroke engine, which was also used in the Saab 95, Saab 96 and Saab Sonnet until 1968, after which it was replaced by the Ford Taunus V4 engine. The Wartburg cars, manufactured in East Germany, and FSO Serena, manufactured in Poland, also used straight-three engines. The 1967 Suzuki Fronte 360 uses a 256 cubic centimeters, 16 cu two-stroke engine. In 1980, Suzuki began production of a 543 cubic centimeters, 33 cu four-stroke engine, which was introduced in the Alto and Fronte models. In the 2012, Ford Focus introduced the straight-three versions of the Ford EcoBoost engine. It uses an unbalanced flywheel to shift the inherent three-cylinder imbalance to the horizontal plane where it is more easily managed by engine mounts, and so remove the need to use balance shafts. The advantages of a straight-three engine for motorcycles are that it has a shorter length than an inline-four engine and produces less vibration than a straight-twin engine. Straight-three engine for motorcycles divided into two types, four-stroke and two-stroke. From 1985 to 1995, the BMW K75 was produced with a straight-three engine, based on the straight-four engine from the BMW K100. British company Triumph has produced several models with transversely mounted straight-three engines, such as the 1994 present Triumph Speed Triple and the 2004 present Triumph Rocket 3. In 2019, the Moto2 class in the MotoGP World Championship switched to using Triumph 765 cubic centimeters, 46.7 cu triple engines. Two-stroke designs are less common in straight-three engines than four-stroke designs, however several were produced by Japanese manufacturers in the late 1960s through to 1980s.
Small enough to hold in your hand, here is the world's smallest four-stroke engine. Even children can operate it easily. Already, more than 5 million powerful, small, four-stroke motorcycle engines have been manufactured.
The Kawasaki triple engine was produced from 1968 to 1980 and was used in various road bikes and racing bikes. Most versions were air-cooled, however several were water-cooled. Similarly, the 1972 to 1980 Suzuki GT Series engines were used for both road bike and racing bikes, and were available in both air-cooled and water-cooled versions.